The best place to succeed is where you are with what you have. Passion is the great slayer of adversity. Focus on strengths and what you enjoy. The man who trims himself to suit everybody will soon whittle himself away. Personality is to a man what perfume is to a flower. A man can succeed at almost anything for which he has unlimited enthusiasm. Work hard. Hard work is the best investment a man can make. Let us suppose you become a crane man. Suppose you become a clerk in a lawyer's office. Give the best that is in you. Let nothing stand in the way of your going on. If I had learned anything after years in the business, it was how little I could ever know about what the market would do tomorrow. A woman worries about the future until she gets a husband, while a man never worries about the future until he gets a wife. The first essential in a boy's career is to find out what he's fitted for, what he's most capable of doing and doing with a relish. I have yet to find the person, however great or exalted his station, who did not do better work and put forth greater effort under a spirit of approval than he would ever do under a spirit of criticism. I was once asked if a big businessman ever reached his objective. I replied that if a man ever reached his objective, he was not a big businessman. The man who does not work for the love of work, but only for money, is likely to neither make money nor find much fun in life. I consider my ability to arouse enthusiasm among my people the greatest asset I possess, and the way to develop the best that is in a person is by appreciation and encouragement. The captains of industry do not keep on working for the sake of making money, but for the love of completing a job successfully. The real test of business greatness is in giving opportunity to others. Many businessmen fail in this because they are thinking only of personal glory. Keeping a little ahead of conditions is one of the secrets of business. The trailer seldom goes far. A man to carry on a successful business must have imagination. He must see things as in a vision, a dream of the whole thing. When a man has put a limit on what he will do, he has put a limit on what he can do. If I were asked to say the most important things that lead to a successful life, I should say that, first of all, was integrity, unimpeachable integrity. Lead the life that will make you kindly and friendly to everyone about you, and you will be surprised what a happy life you will lead. There is no royal road to a successful life, as there is no royal road to learning. It has got to be hard knocks, morning, noon, and night, and fixity of purpose. The man who has done his best has done everything. To my mind, the best investment a young man starting out in business can possibly make is to give all his time, all his energies, to work, just plain hard work. There's no limit possible to the expansion of each one of us. 3 men were laying brick. The first was asked, "What are you doing?" He answered, "Laying some brick." The second man was asked, "What are you working for?" He answered, $5 a day. The third man was asked, "What are you doing?" He answered, "I am helping to build a great cathedral." Which man are you? Be friends with everybody. When you have friends, you will know there is somebody who will stand by you. You know the old saying that if you have a single enemy, you will find him everywhere. It doesn't pay to make enemies. Lead the life that will make you kindly and friendly to everyone about you, and you will be surprised what a happy life you will live. All successful employers are stalking men who will do the unusual, men who think, men who attract attention by performing more than is expected of them. The men who miss success have 2 general alibis. I'm not a genius is one, and the other. There aren't the opportunities today there used to be. You can tell a working man you like him, but he knows whether you are sincere or not. You can't make him believe you are interested in his welfare unless you are. You can never really get away. You can only take yourself somewhere else. Do not be too timid and squeamish about your actions. All life is an experiment. You can only become truly accomplished at something you love. The most important thing in life is to have a great aim and the determination to attain it. The key to success is to focus our conscious mind on things we desire, not things we fear. The successful man will profit from his mistakes and try again in a different way. I find it fascinating that most people plan their vacations with better care than they plan their lives. The man who has confidence in himself gains the confidence of others. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. In this pandemic scenario, if you want to learn and earn and want to increase your money and secure your future financially, then please check the description box. American financial executive and investor Charles Robert Schwab Sr. He is the Charles Schwab Corporation's founder and chairman. Beginning in 1975, he was the first to offer equity securities at a discount. His business grew to be by far the biggest discount securities dealer in the country. Thanks for watching. If you like, please share and subscribe.